Well, check her out. This is Nika, hard at work over at Denver Health Medical Center. The Black Lab Golden Retriever mix spends 40 hours a week working with the kids who are hospitalized and working with their families. Look at her. She can open doors. She can help them learn to walk after surgery. She can help them be cooperative and a little less stressed during those procedures.
Puppy. See her paws? Yeah.
Oh, look at that. She can be a real help during those stressful times. And this morning, we are lucky enough to have Nika and her handler, Sheila Perez, with us. Sheila is the recreational therapist working with the Child Life team over at Denver Health. Thank you so much for coming in with Nika this morning.
Kim.
Okay, so I see Nika is a canine companion.
Yes.
So tell us about all of the training that she's had and what she's able to do for the kids over at Denver Health.
Well, Nika is trained through Canine Companions for Independence, which is an organization based in California. She gets 2 years of training, and then I come in with train with her. And some of the things that she does at the hospital are walking with children who have had recent surgery or have some sort of respiratory issue or that sort of thing. Mm-hmm. She also sits on a bed with children who are getting EEG leads placed, and that could take up to 2 hours on occasion. But she calms the children and she helps the families to be more relaxed. And in fact, she helps the staff throughout the hospital be more able to do their job too.
Well, she is so calm. I'm sure she has a calming effect. What sort of stories have you heard from these patients' families about how she's affected the recovery?
Well, there are several different stories. Nika has done such a fine job. One thing is that there was a boy that was bit on the ear, and he lost his ear, actually. He was bit by a dog, and he was a little bit afraid, but Nika was able to help him to recover from that, and he many times asked for her during his recovery time. But there was also a little boy that had a time when he wasn't able to walk. He had left side weakness. As soon as Nika walked into the room, the boy sat up and started talking, which the boy had not done before for a period of time. So you can see the real value of what therapy dogs do, and Nika in specifically.
And you get to do this as your job. How wonderful.
It is a very, very fine opportunity for me to do things that I haven't been able to do in the past. She's a wonderful tool, but also Nika just provides so much, and I couldn't be happier to have her.
You sweet girl. I see she's got her own trading card here with her statistics, born November 30th, 2011. Tell me, how unique is this program that you have at Denver Health?
Well, Nika is the first canine companion to work in a facility like the hospital. She works 40 hours a week. She is the pioneer, actually, and so she really is one of a kind. So it's just, I'm very proud of her, and I can tell you, I think she does a very, very good job.
Is there anything you can have her do for us just to show how wonderfully trained she is?
Sure. Nika, sit. Come on, Nika. Up. Sit. Nika, shake. Shake. Come on, Nika. Don't shake. Okay.
She's on TV.
No.
She's like, I'm not doing it.
Shake, Nika. Good
There
girl.
she goes. Good girl.
Nika, speak. Good girl. You're such a good girl, Nika.
Oh, and I'm sure that really makes the kids smile.
Oh, she's a doll, and they love her. They love her, and they ask for her quite often and frequently.
I'm sure they do. All right, Sheila, thank you so much for coming in with Nika here.
Thank you. Thank you so
seems like
much.
such a sweet girl and a great part of your department, I'm
She
sure.
is a wonderful girl.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Tom, back over to you.
Kim, you know what she said? She said wispy.